Hi. Now James plays his last song called Taireva. Enjoy.
Very nice, yeah. It's nice to hear some different Taireva.
Yes.
Yeah, lovely. Thank you so much.
This Taireva is very like old version of it.
Older version.
The old version. Nice to hear the older version of Taireva. These people, they're old age. They still have those songs that have been played long back. So we enjoy. Thank you. Thank you, Andy.
My pleasure. Thank you so much for having me welcome at your home. It's very special for me, very magical. Yeah.
Thank you, Mr. Men, and also I'm so happy to meet you, and I'm so happy, very much, you to connect to me here in your video or I don't know camera. You see.
Yeah. It's forward is helping me make the connections with the right people.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you very much.
Okay, Mapenza yenyu.
Yeah. Oh, Tapedza.
Amatanda
Alright.
tsvimbo yenyu.
Ah.
Manje ndikakubatira tsvimbo wakutoripa.
Aiwa, kuripa kwangu ine akuchachisi. Aiwa. Yakutisa sezvi.
Akuchatisa.
Ndoda kutozotora.
Yeah.
Vaviri.
Aiwa, chiri kutaurisa. Now this one is my brother-in-law. So now he's teasing me too much. He's saying you must hold this stick for him so that he can see where he can know where he's going, and that way that means once I hold his stick, he knows his direction. I can help him with the directions, and then he's gonna take another wife. I must give him another wife.
Okay.
Instead of him giving me something, I have to pay for this. It's just too much. But anyway, so now I don't know what I can do, but I'll try to.
Just make sure you tell him when every step is there.
Yes,
when
yes.
we come over the steps.
I think he must give me another two girls.
2 girls?
Yes.
Mind your feet.
Thank you.
Yes. Thank you again. Thank you. What a magical experience to meet these guys here. Great Zimbabwean Mbira group. Wow, this place. Forget the name right now. I think it's Copy. I might be wrong. Koppi. If I'm wrong, please accept my apologies. We're on these granite mounds here. I'll put some pictures in to show the roads that we crossed. And the next one just there is Great Zimbabwe.